I'll be showing you how to enable and set up call waiting on your Samsung Galaxy S24. The first thing you want to do is go to the phone app and then make sure keypad is selected, and then tap on the three-dot button in the top right corner and select settings. That should open your call settings page. Now here you want to go to Supplementary Services and tap on that, and then allow it to check the current status. Once it's done, this is what you're going to see. So we have supplementary services for SIM1 and my SIM2, which happens to be an eSIM. Okay, so for the two different SIM cards, you have similar settings. So go to call waiting, and if call waiting is disabled like that, then all you have to do to enable call waiting is to turn on that toggle button, and that's going to enable call waiting on your Galaxy S24. Call waiting basically means, like, if you're currently in a phone call and someone else is trying to call you, instead of cutting them off and telling you that the user is busy, or telling the other person that you are busy, you're just going to see the call come up on the screen as you're still talking to the other contact, and then you can choose whether to hold and receive or maybe end your current call. It's basically up to you. The call will be there, but it's going to be waiting. And that's basically how to enable call waiting on your Galaxy S24. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.